Hi everyone, the guitar we have for sale on eBay, which is, whoops, is my camera gone, is this one, the retro Grease Monkey. The top is an ACM plate, aluminium composite material, which is a polycarbonate centre sheet with aluminium on the top and bottom. So I make guitars out of this stuff, and I just find it, well, it's good, it's great. The sides are wood. I've seen the pictures up there. I've even put a, you take this Lost Art off, it's just a logo upon. I've put an access plate on the back in ACM, 4 screws, take it off, you can get to the, get your hands into the pickups and all the electrics in there if ever you need to. The neck is a lovely piece of sapele, 3-part head with sapele in the centre and ash on each side. 3 closed back machine heads, still got the white plastic on there, pull them off when you get it. 8 chrome machine heads. The fretboard is also in beech. It's a beech fretboard, but it's got some lovely figuring on there. I don't know if you can see this figuring here, which is very unusual for beech, to be fair. It's usually a pretty bland wood, but it's nice and hard anyway. I think it's beech, well, whatever. Medium fret markers in there, all crowned, set and polished. The dot markers are inlaid abalone. Fret markers are not stuck on with the proper jobs. Single coil pickup, volume control. The string holder is also sapele, and nice tough machine. The nut was made out of a chopstick. I get black chopsticks now and again and white ones, but this one deserved a black chopstick on there. I put 3 round head overhead screws on there for the string trees. Just going to play it. I'm going to not play it through a studio this time. I'm going to play it as it sounds through the iPad. So it's going to a little Marshall MG 15 watt practice amp. That is it. That is it. It's not loud because I have neighbours. So please set it, a little bit of reverb. I'll play without a slide first. Get a nice cutty sound out of it, and with a slide. That's with a slide and without on that nice nice cutty setting. I'll stick a little bit of overdrive on it now for you. Yeah, it rings quite nicely. Overdrive or sustain. So we'll stop that, and that's pretty much what you get. A little bit of overdrive and the clean sound. Dead easy to play, nice and tough, lasts you a lifetime. I do offer my lifetime guarantee as long as you own the guitar and you don't sell it on and they break it and they want it repaired. If you've still got the guitar and it gets damaged or it accidentally gets broken, send it back to me. I'll pay the postage, I will repair it free of charge, send it back to you. I will pay the postage as well. Can't get fairer than that. So there you go, one ACM aluminium top Grease Monkey Satisfaction guaranteed, and that I will guarantee. Thank you.